This assessment tells us that a chemist tried to form this ketone from this ester by reacting with phenyl grignard. However, that was not the product that formed. What is the product that formed? Well, the problem is that ketones are also carbonyls, and they're also reactive towards Grignard reagents. In fact, they're better electrophiles than esters are, and so they'll react faster with a Grignard reagent than the original ester will. So as soon as this ketone forms, it will react again with another equivalent of the Grignard reagent. A second equivalent of the Grignard reagent will add to the carbonyl, meaning that we're going to end up with a product that has incorporated two of the Grignard reagents into the product. So we'll have a benzene ring and another benzene ring, and then the alcohol. And then we'll have a 3-carbon spacer followed by the cyclopentane ring. This is the product that forms when we add phenyl grignard to this particular ester. We get 2 incorporations of the Grignard reagent, and we form a tertiary alcohol as our major product.